In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your SurveyMonkey survey via email using the Collect Responses feature. First, head to the SurveyMonkey website in your browser. This walkthrough assumes you already have a survey created in your account. So once you're on the site and signed in, you're ready to go. If you manage multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace selector so you're in the right place before moving on. This avoids opening the wrong project and saves time later. Next, open your survey from the dashboard. You can use the search bar or scan your list to find it. Give the title a quick check to make sure it's the survey you intend to distribute. And, if needed, peek at the questions to confirm everything looks correct. When you're confident, look toward the top of the survey for the navigation that includes Design Survey, Collect Responses, and Analyze Results. Click Collect Responses. This is the area where SurveyMonkey provides different ways to share your survey, such as web links, social, and email. Inside Collect Responses, choose Email. This option is designed for sending invitations directly to inboxes and for tracking who has responded. It's especially useful when you want to send reminders or monitor response status by recipient. Important note: the email collector is available with upgraded SurveyMonkey plans. If you don't see email or it appears locked, that typically means your current plan doesn't include it. In that case, you would need to upgrade your plan or check with your account administrator to gain access. A quick refresh after changing plans usually makes the option appear. Once you've clicked email, you're in the right place to manage distribution from your inbox-style collector. You'll see tools that help you control sender details, personalize your message, and track delivery and opens. Even if you're not customizing anything yet, landing on this screen confirms you've set up the correct path to email your survey. And that's it. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, then in Collect Responses, choose Email. Keeping these steps simple ensures you can move from building to distributing without losing momentum. A final tip: double-check you open the correct survey before proceeding, especially if you maintain several similar versions. Also, if a teammate can't access email, it may be due to permissions or plan level, not a technical issue. You're now ready to move forward with emailing your SurveyMonkey survey and tracking your responses with confidence.